war.
Victory at last.
It is war. It is war. It is war. The battle is against demonic host of wickedness, haters, witchcraft, foundational powers, powers of darkness, occultic, and all evil powers that has vowed not to allow you move forward in life. It is war. It is war. Christ Royal Family International Churches presents Lagos Reigning in Life Conference, the August edition 2025. It is war. Date Sunday, the 3rd of August 2025. Time 3 p.m. Venue Lagos Airport Hotel, Awolowo Road, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. With the continuation Monday the 4th to Friday the 8th of August 2025. Time 6 p.m. daily. Saturday the 9th of August 2025. Time 9 a.m. Venue Royal Tower, Anifowashe, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. With your host, the iconic Bishop Tom Samson, God's prophetic military general.
I prophesy, God shall fight your battle. God shall be your deliverer. God shall go before you. He shall make the crooked path straight. Come on, shout, I hear.
For more information and inquiry, please check it out on your screen.
It is war. You are the one to train your younger ones. You are the one to finance ministry. And also wickedness are tormenting you. I prophesy, their yoke shall be broken today. Bible says shall come to pass that day that the yoke shall be destroyed. I prophesy, receive your deliverance on your job, receive your deliverance in your business, receive your deliverance in your finances. You're getting married, that shadow is destroyed, that yoke is broken, that veil is removed. You shall fulfill your destiny. You shall put laughter on people's face in the name of